out Manisha. I will teach you third standard mathematics subject. In previous lecture we have learned addition. Today we will learn addition without carrying over. Next topic, arrange vertically and add 3-digit number. See student, first example, unit place, tens place, hundred place. Unit place which number? 4. Tens place which number? 6. Hundred place which number? 6. 4 value, just value 4. Tens place 6, 6 value 60, and this 6 value 600. See here, 664 plus 220. You see first which column? Unit column. 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 6 plus 2, 8. Write down 8. Then 6 plus 2, again 8. We get 684. See the next example. 421 plus 351. You see first unit column. 1 plus 1, 2. Write down 2. Then you see next which column? Tens column. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5, 7. Write down 7. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, also 7. We get 772. See the next example. 713 plus 205. You see first unit column. 3 plus 5, 8. 1 plus 0, 1. 7 plus 2, 9. We get 918. See the next example. 122 plus 324. You see first unit column. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. And 1 plus 3, again 4, means we get 446. See the next example. 207 plus 102. You see first unit column. 7 plus 2, 9. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. We get 309. Means 300, 0 tens and 9 units. See the next example. See the example. 270 plus 312. You see first unit column. 0 plus 2, 2. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 3, 5. We get 582. See the next example. 450 plus 230. You see first unit column. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. We get 618. See the next example. 541 plus 320. You see first unit column. 1 plus 0, 1. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. We get 861. See the next example. 400 plus 300. You see first which column? Unit column. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 3, 7. We get 700. See the next example. 22 plus 342. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 4, 6. And write down 3 as it is. We get 364. This topic again see on digital board.
Vertically and add 664 plus 220. First we'll arrange them vertically. For that we'll write H, T, U. Now 664 is 6 hundreds, 6 tens, 4 units, plus 220 would be 200, 2 tens, 0 unit. Now if you add them, at the unit tens. 400 plus 300 is 700. Which means the answer is 700. 7 tens and 2 units. That means 772. Now the next one. 713 plus 205. First we'll arrange them vertically. So we'll write HTU. 713 would be 700, 110, 3 units plus 200, 0 tens, 5 units. Now let us begin the addition from the ones column. 3 units plus 5 units is 8 units. 110 plus 0, 10 is 110. 700 plus 200 is 900. So the answer is 900, 110 and 8 units, which means the answer is 980. And 22 plus 324. Let us begin our addition. For that, first we'll arrange them vertically and write HTU. 122 would be 102 tens 2 units plus 324 would be 302 tens 4 units. Now 2 units plus 4 units is 6 units. 2 tens plus 2 tens 4 tens. 100 plus 300 400. Which means the answer is 400 4 tens 6 units, that is 448. Next sum, 207 plus 102. Let us write HTU first. Now 207 is 200, 0 tens 7 units plus 102 would be 100, 0 tens 2 units. Now 7 units plus 2 units is 9 units. 0 10 plus 0 10 is 0 10. 200 plus 100 is 300. Which means the answer is 300, 0 tens 9 units. So it is 309. Plus 312. If you arrange them vertically, first we'll write HTU. Then 270 is 200, 7 tens 0 units. Plus 312 is 300, 110, 2 units. Let us begin our addition. 0 units plus 2 units is 2 units. 710 plus 110 is 8 tens. And 200 plus 300 is 500. Which means the answer is 582. Now the next sum. 450 plus 230. If you arrange them vertically, first you write HTU. Now 450 would be 400, 5 tens 0 units plus 230 would be 200, 3 tens 0 units. Now let us begin our addition. 0 unit, 0 unit is 0 unit. 5 tens plus 3 tens is 8 tens. 400 plus 200 is 600. Which means it is 600, 8 tens and 0 unit, that is 680. Now the next one. 541 plus 320. Well, first we'll arrange them vertically. Now, we will write HTU. 541 would be 504 tens 1 unit. Plus 320 would be 300 2 tens 0 unit. Now, let us begin our addition. 1 unit plus 0 unit is 1 unit. 4 tens plus 2 tens is 6 tens. 500 plus 300 is 800. Which means it is 800, 6 tens and 1 unit, that is 861. plus 300 would be 300, 0, 10, 0 units. Now the units column. 0 unit plus 0 unit is 0 unit. 0 tens plus 0 10, 0 10. 400 plus 300 is 700. Which means the answer is 700. Next is 22 plus 342. We'll arrange them vertically writing HTU. Now 22 would be 2 tens 2 units plus 342 would be 300 4 tens 2 units. In the units column, 2 units plus 2 units is 4 units. In the tens column, 2 tens plus 4 tens is 6 tens. In the hundred column, 300. Which means the answer would be 300, 6 tens and 4 units, that is 364.
I hope all students understood arrange vertically and add 3-digit number. So student, on next lecture we will see next topic. Thank you.